Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In today's video, I will show you how to switch between the 12-hour and 24-hour time format in Windows 11. By default, Windows may display time in either the 12-hour format with AM and PM or the 24-hour format depending on your system settings. If you prefer one format over the other, you can easily change it from the Windows settings. So let's get started. First, click on the start button, then select your settings. Alternatively, you can press Windows plus I keys on the keyboard to open settings. Under settings, select time and language in the left sidebar. On the right, click on date and time. Now click on change the date and time format. Here you will see the short time and long time settings. To use the 12-hour format, select a time format that includes AM or PM for both short time and long time. Just click on this and you can choose the options according to your preference. Once you select the format, the changes will apply immediately and the new time format will appear on the taskbar clock. That's it. You have successfully switched between 12-hour and 24-hour time format in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to GearUpWindows for more useful Windows tips. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.